Fnchaptercom free V-Bucks scam review. Fnchaptercom pricing explains what you get for your money. If you've seen Fnchaptercom claiming to give free Fortnite V-Bucks, most people get this wrong by assuming it's legitimate. The surprising truth is that these free V-Bucks sites are scams. Fnchaptercom asks users to enter their username and complete tasks to receive in-game currency. But there's no official partnership with Epic Games, and no real V-Bucks are delivered. Instead, these sites often collect personal data, push malware, or lead to account compromise. What you get: a promise of free in-game currency. What you give up or risk: your Roblox or Fortnite account, personal information, and device security. There is no safe shortcut outside official channels. Here's how to protect yourself. Step 1. Only buy or earn V-Bucks through Epic Games' official platform. Step 2. Never provide login credentials to third-party websites. Step 3. Watch out for task completion promises. They are traps to gather data. Step 4. Report suspicious sites to protect others. You won't believe what happens next if you had no warnings. You spend time on the site, give your account details, and end up with nothing or worse, a hacked account. The surprising truth is that free V-Bucks can cost far more than money it can cost your account. In conclusion, avoid Fnchaptercom. Protect your gaming accounts, and use only verified methods to obtain V-Bucks. Your security is worth more than chasing free currency.